Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we are unveiling the Australia Sovereign 2026 Gold Proof 3 coin set. The set is housed in a beautifully illustrated shipper featuring a gold foiled representation of the coin design on the lid, accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity. Once inside, you will find 3 legal tender gold proof coins, including standard, half, and quarter sovereign sizes. The half sovereign is only exclusively available in this set. Struck from 91.67% pure gold, each of these modern collectables reimagines Benedetto Bertucci's famous St. George and the Dragon design. The design includes a decorative circle of raised dots, together with an inscription of Australia 2026 and the Perth Mint's P mint mark. It also features a privy mark with the number 100, commemorating what would have been the 100th birthday of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. The obverse portrays Dunthorne's effigy of His Majesty King Charles III and the monetary denomination. With an issue limit of just 250, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.